Did I make some horse puppies?
Yeah, you did a good job putting this motor together. I just finished up Taylor's 2020 STI. This car has only 21,000 miles on it, but came with low compression. And what started off as like a, let's just put a new short block in it, turned into, let's put a built short block in it, let's put a set of basic cams, and it's got GSCS ones. And then Dalton had it all together, ready to drop in the car. And I told him, I was like, hey, we're putting your motor in tomorrow. He's like, hey, we'll go ahead and put a turbo on it. So we had to pull some of the stuff back off, put FP green on it. And I just finished it up. We made different maps. So it's basically full flex fuel, 93 up to about E60 is where I'm limited. And then we made a race map that you just switch where you go into Sport Sharp. So you can see those dynagraphs right here. 393 on pump gas, 444 just switching to E50, same boost level and everything. And then we made a race map and made 464. I told him to make 450, so should be good. We were going to limit it there. Still just got a stock fuel pump hanger with an AEM 340 in it. So above that, we would do a radium full drop-in fuel pump hanger. It's a fun build. Should be a nice, fun daily driver. It's crazy to think about, almost a brand new car having 80 psi for compression in the cylinder 4 while the others had 130. It's just I think it had like a SF intake and AOS and a U-tune valve. Who that came in. But we're honest. We all think about just life in general. Who taught you to lie? Who taught you how to disobey your parents? Having 3 kids myself, I know I didn't teach my kids how to lie or disobey. Yet the Bible answers that question. And in Psalm 51, David says, "In sin my mother conceived me." In Ephesians 2, it says, all of us by nature are children of wrath, being sons of disobedience. And the Bible offers an answer for that question. All worldviews try to answer the question, what's wrong with the world? The Bible says we're, because of our great-great-great-grandparents, Adam and Eve, we all inherit a sin nature and we all sin. And the consequence of that, as Galatians 3, it says, cursed is everyone who does not keep all things written in the book of the law to perform them. That means we're all cursed. We're all condemned. We're all sinners. That's what the Bible teaches. But the good news of the gospel is that God sent Jesus to do something about it. And we would love to talk to you more about that, to explain to you what that looks like. But if you're honest with yourself, there's something wrong in the world. There's something wrong that causes you to have desires in yourself that want things that are wrong. And we feel guilt and shame over them whenever we do them. So the Bible has answers to that, and we'd love to talk to you more. If you have any questions about today's content or Bible study, please reach out to us. You can find us on Facebook, Wretched Racing. You can email us at wretchedracing@gmail.com. If you'd like a Bible or any kind of gospel material, we would love to send it to you for free. We also have t-shirts and hoodies. Thanks for watching.